sliced in half, like
really bad.
half.
So I kind of tripped her down the stairs.
Feels like Harry Potter.
Just one step closer to being me.
Oh, little bitch, little. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I again have a very special guest, my sister Agni.
Hi guys.
For today's video, I'm going to be transforming her into me. She already looks amazing, but I think we have very different styles. Not different styles, but more so like my makeup dalti hu, and I tend to like glam it up. And she is very simple, basic, and she loves it. Not basic. That sounds more clean. She's more clean girl. I am more like, I will wear makeup, I will glam it up. That's just how I am on most days.
Absolutely suits her.
I'm gonna try seeing her in a more glam avatar, which she's never been in before. So if you're interested, keep on watching and don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe.
comment like what else you guys want to see next. I am listening and I hear you guys. I'm gonna be posting more vlogs and fun stuff.
Also, she had 100k on her one of her videos, which is so great, and I'm so proud of her. And she's gonna hit 1000k subscribers.
1000k.
1k subscribers soon.
Thank you so much for all the love and support. We love you guys.
We love you
I
a
love
lot.
you guys. Anyway, let's get
get
on
into
to the video.
Yeah. See you.
First is makeup. So let's go.
Show a little love.
So what we're gonna do is like ask like TMI questions. Remember like back in the days TMI tag was a thing. So we thought while doing makeup हम आपको बोर नहीं करेंगे.
तो
थोड़ा
आपको मुझे जानने में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है.
बहुत इंटरेस्ट है हमें जानने में. हमें लगता है ऐसा. So for starters, moisturizer. Are you excited?
Yes. Ever had a terrible breakup?
Yes, I have. And so has she. And you know what the funny part is? It's like we're living our life like the same way. Like the way I've dealt with things, she is dealing with that. So that's probably why हम इतना connected feel करता है.
Yeah, and everything is the same. Our issues, like the problems that we had growing up. Yeah, so like a lot of it.
Shut up, stop. Instagram.
Why don't you put a notification on?
I don't know how to.
I'll do it for you.
Later.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's done. Continue.
Okay. What was the question? What was the question?
Ever had a horrible breakup? Yeah, we have. What she's trying to say is that. What were you trying to say?
I'm trying to say that we relate so much as sisters because we're sisters, obviously. That's the first part.
But the thing is, we're cousins, but we're more we're cousins, but it seems like we're a lot closer because जहाँ हो जाती है मैं चली जाती हूँ. And it was always like that. And the thing is, we've always been very similar in a lot of aspects. So it's like we've grown up together. That's why we act like quite literal real sisters.
And we both like, I think, single children adds on to it.
Like, we went from toxic breakup to this trauma.
But we've already spoken about it in the previous video that we both come
So
together.
you should
which
definitely
was,
check that out.
Okay, what is your favorite show?
I love K-drama, but right now, oh god, I don't know what to say because I don't have a favorite, but I love a lot of shows. What about?
I think my favorite has to be Friends because I've been obsessing over it. Look, I think in this year, like more than I've ever had, and I think I've been just like relating and wanting friends like them in the show. Like, it's just so close to my heart now because I just watch it and I can cry, I can be happy, I can be sad, I can do everything.
That's so sweet.
Have you watched Friends?
I'm not a sitcom girl. Like I wish I really was.
Okay,
like,
but you know the characters, right?
Yeah, I know the names because everybody keeps talking about them. I tried watching Office. Office was nice, but I'm just not a sitcom girly. I love rom-com, I love thrillers. Like I could watch TVD 20 times. I could watch Gossip Girl 100 times. It's my alley. Like I'm watching Outer Banks right now.
Guys, please comment down what's your favorite character in Friends and who do you relate to the most.
Well, if you don't watch Friends,
You can tell me any show that you watch and actually give me suggestions because I'm like running out of shows to watch. How old are you?
I'm 21. How old are you?
I'm 16.
She's a baby.
But I don't look like one. I mean, I look like one and I act like
She's
one.
a lot more mature for her age. I'll give her that. Like any day.
What's your zodiac sign?
An Aquarius. You?
Taurus. What is one quality that you look for in a partner? Like your main quality?
After I find my bronzer, I'll tell you. I think I've already found it, but I look for loyalty and like sharing the same sense of humor and respect.
Sense of humor, it matters so much.
Oh, no,
Like,
no,
I do not understand. Sorry, I hate when people don't get my humor.
Yeah.
It's like the biggest turn-off, and most of people don't. Like, if I tell a guy, bro, you're this, and he'll be like, oh my god, why are you being so rude? I'm like, bitch, it's a joke.
Yeah, I feel like sarcasm is so like,
Yeah.
if you don't have it, then are you like dumb? Why are you so sensitive? Not everything is that deep. Your life is
You're
not,
not that
deep.
important.
Like, you don't have to go so like, oh, she said this to me, I'm gonna hold a grudge forever.
Exactly. That's amazing.
Stop holding grudges, it ruins your skin.
Okay, next question. Do you like, are you a person who actually holds grudges?
Me, no. I don't really care enough to hold
And
grudges.
what's your opinion on people who do?
Hold grudges, I think it's a waste of time because you will now when someone does you wrong, it's one thing ki you don't forget, but you can forgive, or you don't even forgive, just move on. I think you're wasting your own energy on people that don't matter ultimately, you know.
True.
If people do
I
you
agree.
wrong, they're just stupid, bro.
I agree. And plus, like, you only live once, you have one life, just like live it to the fullest. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black, white, and blue, and it's very specific. It's always been black, white, and blue. And like blue, honestly, any shade, but I love pastel blue, like baby blues. I love.
I think mine would be black, red, and purple. I think. Such a weird combo, but I love those three colors. They're like absolutely beautiful. They don't look good together, obviously. And not like the red, wala red, like the wine red. Like,
Next, I'm doing an eyeshadow. For eyes, mainly, I just do brown and like I smoke it up thoda with eyeliner, which is my like staple. You will always find me with eyeliner. If I'm not with eyeliner, that's not me. It's my doppelganger. I meant doppelganger.
okay, wait, what do you do when you're sad? Like, how do you cope with it?
I cry or I vent about it to people that I'm very close to, which are very little, but the ones that are very close to me, I talk about things with, including her. But I don't think she's seen me cry in a long ass time.
Yeah.
When was the last time you saw me cry?
Maybe we were like kids when you got your hand.
This is a story. Do you see this?
Oh my god, it's stitches. I laugh about it now.
Would you like to tell the story?
Okay, so it was nothing. Like, you know, we were playing that game where you like cover the person's eyes and they try to fight you. Like a
tag, basically.
blind room.
Blindfold.
Blindfold thing. And then she was like, we were running around the entire house. And we were like kids, right? We were running around the entire house and I just shut the door on a finger. So,
Well, my mom and her ran in the
yeah.
room. And my
No,
eyes,
playing.
I was cheating. To be fair, so karma got me right because my blindfold I was wearing, I could see thoda. And I knew y'all were running towards the room. So what I chose to do was run after you guys because I was not going to be out. So when I ran behind y'all, my finger went, the hinge of the door, pata hai ki wo
Yeah,
edge hota hai, just shut. And I didn't realize it at first but then I realized my finger was being warm. Then I opened it and I was like, what the frick? Like it's sliced in half. Like
really bad.
half like this, and my didi that was working at our place at the time, she was like, what the hell, and she started crying, and they didn't believe me for a long time. They thought I was just trying to get in because I was banging the door. Eventually they opened it was a scene,
It was really
and Avni was very young, so she felt very guilty, although it was not her fault. Technically
wasn't.
I was the one who was going, actually
But
yes,
I
your fault.
was my fault. Like, what the fuck?
I kind of manifested it. I'll tell you how. I used to do like makeup on my hands, and I would try to create like fake bruises on my fingers and hands and stuff.
Oh yeah, right.
I used to do that a lot. Like on my hand. I don't know what was wrong with me. I was not okay.
And because of what, I also used to do it. Like a
Yeah.
lot at home. I used to prank my grandmother. So my daddy lag gaya.
See?
Yeah.
It was very normal. So I used to do that a lot, and then I did it on this finger, this hand. I remember.
Oh,
and the
God.
same day that I took a picture with like a bruise, I don't know if I have it still.
horrible.
She happened. So I kind of manifested it, is what I'm saying. The eyeliner is done. Now she can put a mascara. Here you go.
There was this guy who I really liked in my class, and there was this other girl who also liked that guy a lot. Apparently, like that's what I got to know. So I kind of tripped her down the stairs. I put my leg in the middle of her leg, but she didn't get hurt like a lot, which is sad.
A lot.
Like she got a little bit bleeding. She was bleeding. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे. She wasn't injured.
So this is your sign to not like the same person Avni likes. Literally. I will be back when I'm done with her lips.
Okay.
So guys, obviously she doesn't. I've done my. Now we're pretty much done with the makeup. I'll just set it in.
What is this, bro?
It's a setting spray, so it stays
Oh,
on
it smells
now.
so good.
All this will melt into your skin. Why does it all smell good to her? So let that melt in, and then we're gonna move on to her hair. Because if you see, my hair is always like, I straighten it. It's not naturally straight. It's actually quite bad.
This side you didn't put. Smells really
Because
good.
you want to be.
क्या कुत्ती है एकदम Sorry.
Why is she spinning? But she's enjoying it.
Yeah, so it's like holy.
So now that the makeup is all done, we're gonna move on to hair so she could look a little more like me.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Hi guys, so now what we're gonna do is straighten her hair because my hair is always straight. Not naturally, but I straighten it because I like it like that. So we're gonna do that for Miss Avni as well. So she we should make a shake hand, no? Like
Should
our shake hand.
Like,
ये क्या है? You kept it next to a wire, Avni. Are you serious?
and she kept it right where it was.
No, I kept it in further.
Wow. Miss. Wait, I also had to turn.
Oh, okay, wait. Wait. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh.
Look like Harry Potter. Why can I see?
What? You can?
I can see clearly.
Then we have the same.
No, but I'm wearing lenses, so why can I see? So it's like Harry Potter on her.
Yeah, you do. You look so nice and you should wear glasses. Eh?
Now stop hyping me up so much.
No, I genuinely am not kidding.
Thank you. What's
Stephanie,
your name, myself?
Stephanie.
Yeah, this is no.
Steph-
Steffi is different. I am Miss Braganza. Miss Braganza is doing her hair.
Braganza, okay.
Miss Braganza is doing her hair. Let's do it. You have clip for now.
Where is it gone? Wasn't it there?
Call me Pookie. Kissing my friend. Hey Dookie. Now it's like I'm looking in the mirror. Hope you feel alright when you're in her. Guys,
Bad
would you
video.
like to see her space?
God, no, this is horrible. Oh my god.
Miss Braganza is back. Let's go. Guys, at one point in life, can you move thoda up there? At one point, I used to, like COVID ke time pe, I used to straighten my hair a lot, like without combing it, for like videos and generally. Videos as in like bakwas videos, TikTok type wale,
Yeah.
which I never really posted just to. I used to straighten a lot and I used to straighten without combing it, so I would like, and all of my hair fell out. All of it fell out. It was the worst thing in the world. Like my hair was basically just these two pieces, here and here. Divide them and make it
Yeah,
one.
and you're gonna fucking burn my lip right now.
But imagine this piece of hair divided in two. It was one side, a side, left or right.
Damn, that's bad.
That's really bad. And
But
I
like
just
now
wanted-
you have like such great hair. That's right.
it's a little better, but I had to get extensions because I needed my hair to grow out naturally. Because college भी शुरू हो गया था तो मेरे को तो गंदा नहीं दिखना था because I don't like my natural. So your hair is really pretty. Touch wood. Brush your hair.
Oh,
The back. brush. That lazy. It was really sweet. But like gave me this whole paragraph about the ways that I can improve and make it seem like we're talking on FaceTime. So you guys, sorry. Braganza has done her work. I will show you my work right now.
Should've known from the start.
So now that we're done with her hair and makeup, we have to do the outfit and accessories. So let's do that because she's just one step closer to being me. Personality wise, you're the same personality anyway.
Yeah.
So she just has to look the part. So let's do that. We're moving on to finding her an outfit. So this will be like a quick like montage. We'll find her an outfit. This is the fit that we're working with. I think this is like I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I'm giving very belly from the summertime.
Summertime.
And this is exactly like what I would wear. Like always.
Yay.
This is my go-to. Wearing
Like a crop top,
a
a
jacket sometimes, and jeans always. I'm very basic, as you can tell. But let's accessorize her. So I got this box of accessories. These are all her clothes. But I thought accessories are very important. What I tend to do is I tend to stack jewelry over here. And then my earrings are always very chunky. My mom hates them, but I love them. Or it's hoops. So let's do some stacking.
Stacking, racking.
Are you a silver girl or a gold?
Silver, definitely.
Same. Always silver. I normally wear hoops, so let her wear hoops. Later I'll entertain you guys. So how are you doing? I hope you're having a very good day or whatever you're doing. I hope you're having lots of fun, and I hope my videos are making you all like. Now put your hair like this, like do this. That's more like it. Now she's giving Paki.
Going.
No dances.
Wait, very good. Yeah, guys, I look like Paki Esana.
She kind of really does, and I love that for us.
The pouch she does.
I feel like she should really dress like this more often because she looks so confident, so good.
Thank you.
Like truly, I'm not trying to turn her into me forever, but I feel like this style really suits you.
Thank you.
This is Princess. She is everything I needed when.
Cutie baby.
Since she was a puppy, she's always going up between my legs, like under them. She finds some sort of comfort. She's so smart.
She's a honey bun sugar plum pumpy kid.
You're my sweetie, but what puppies? Come you can pretend, continue being me. How do I talk?
Oh, little bitch, little.
I never.
She's the only one who calls her a bitch.
No, she's my bitch.
Yeah, exactly.
My
little doll.
My little doll. If I posted Avni on my Instagram, everybody would be like, oh wow, you look the exact same as Paki.
Yeah, it's not like a thicker one.
Thicker is good. I wish I was thick. Right? So I take a lot of pictures. I started taking on my digicam. So let's do that, you guys. Thank you guys. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Like she said.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
bye.
Bye.